Hello everybody, my name's James Hashay, and at the moment in my back garden. My house at the back faces north, which we're looking at now. That's north. To my right is east, and to my left is west. Now let's have a look towards the west now. As you can see, can't quite see it on my camera, but there is a birch tree there. There it is. That's actually facing exactly west according to my compass. Now if we have a look into the sky, we see where's it gone? Can't see it now. There we go. We've got the sun shining above the birch tree, and basically that is the west. Now the thing is, the sun normally sets in the west, and look how high it is in the sky. It's unbelievable. Very strange. It's actually setting towards the northwest, which is just about there, just on the peak of that house roof. But as you can see, the sun is high in the sky in the west. It should set in the west. It's totally wrong. The sun is in the wrong position, totally. And this ties in with the scriptures of the Bible that says in the last days there will be signs, sun, moon and stars, and anguish of nations not knowing the way out. Well, we see the anguish of nations now, don't we, on earth. The conflict between Russia and Israel and North Korea and America. We see anguish of nations happening. Please look at my other videos that show how the stars are doing very strange things. This happened on May 14th, the 70-year anniversary of Israel's independence. I had a very strange star. Please look at my other videos on the channel. My channel is James Hashay, H-A-C-C-H-E. Thanks for watching. Bye.